Hey everyone, if your Glasp browser extension isn't working properly, don't worry. Whether it's not loading, not saving highlights, or not appearing on web pages, there are several simple fixes you can try. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Glasp extension issues step by step. First, make sure the Glasp extension is installed and enabled in your browser. Open your browser's extensions page and check that the Glasp extension is turned on. Next, refresh the web page where you're trying to use Glasp. Yeah, sometimes the extension doesn't load correctly until the page is reloaded. If the extension still isn't working, check for updates. Install the latest version of Glasp and restart your browser to make sure you're running the newest release. Now, sign out of your Glasp account and then sign back in. This can refresh your session and resolve temporary syncing or authentication problems. You should also clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old browsing data can sometimes prevent browser extensions from working as expected. If you're using multiple browser extensions, temporarily disable the others and test Glasp again. Some extensions can conflict with Glasp and interfere with its features. Finally, if the problem continues, remove the Glasp extension completely and reinstall it from your browser's official extension store. If that doesn't solve the issue, contact Glasp support for additional help, and that's it. Now you know how to fix common Glasp extension issues and get everything working again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.